as we all know that Fiverr, Upwork, these are freelancing platforms that back in 2019, back in 2018, 2020, you can register as you want to register and you won't have any problem registering even when you are in Nigeria or other country. But right now in 2024 or 2025 or beyond, you will discover that Fiverr as a freelancing platform or Upwork as a freelancing platform is very hard to get into. And why? Because of IP address issues and a lot of issues. So now I've gotten another platform that you guys can register on as a freelancer and succeed in 2024 and beyond. Stay with me to the end of the video. So I have this other platform called sellercenter.io. So let's go to the website sellercenter.io. This is a platform where you can outsource, you can scout and get jobs. You can also get jobs from this platform too. You can scout on this platform. So the first thing you have to do is, as you can see, let's go through the breakdown of the website before I tell you the next thing to do. Make sure you stay with me to the end of the video. So right now I have an account with them. So first thing you have to do is to have an account with them. So continue, you can sign in with your Google or anything. So now let's go through the breakdown of the website. As you can see, we have track Shopify store revenue and discovers best selling product, instantly match with AliExpress dropshipping supplier. So this particular website will show you some data of some big Shopify websites and all, and you can see the sales of this Shopify website or this website, and you can message the owner of the website that you can help them promote their websites and you get paid. Quick and easy, right? So let me show you. So as you can see, we have this. So what we are trying to get into today is we are not tracking competitors Shopify store, but we are trying to do store research. We want to research on some stores, and I'm going to show you detailedly what you have to do to get your next job on this particular website. So majorly we are scouting on this particular website. So we can see, let's analyze these websites together. This first website is called Tossware, and they have this amount of products, 1000 plus products, and in a single month they have 20.93k visits in a single month. But what about their sales? So this is actually what we are dealing with. It is their sales. See the amount of sales these people have, 3.8 million sales in just a single month. But now I have a very quick question for you, and you will let me know your answer in the comment section. So this is just it. Let's say for example you're making 3.8 million in a single month. Do you need marketing? Do you need sales? No. So we won't be targeting people that have larger sales, people that have a lot of sales. But what are we going to do? Just come to this part of the website where you can see monthly sales. Click on the monthly sales and let's target people that are between the minimum of 1 to 100. So these are the people that need sales. These are the people that need marketing. So as you can see, we have monthly sales, we have monthly visits, they have 100, they have 6 products. But what about people that have this amount of products? They have 100 plus products and they're having this amount of visits in a month and they are having a low monthly sales. So now let's click on the website. So this website, they might need two things. The first thing they might need is actually design. Maybe the website is not okay, that's why people are not buying from them, or marketing. So let's get to the website, analyze the website, if what they need on the website is design or redesign or marketing. So let's go to the website together. So now this is the website. As you can see, the website is good looking, it's actually okay. The website is looking so fine. So I don't think the issue with this is actually the the design. So what they need is actually marketing. So the next thing you have to do is go to contact us. So let's go to contact us page. So you can as well copy this number and chat with the number on WhatsApp or anything, or your Telegram, and message them that okay, you notice the website. So okay, so the next thing I'm going to be teaching you is how to draft out the best content that will bring them, like that will make the owner of the website to respond to your message. So we'll be using a tool called ChatGPT. We all know what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI tool that writes content for you, and you can get results even by using the free version of the website. But if you have the pro version, kudos to you, congratulations to you. So let's go to what ChatGPT has for us. So let's just click on ChatGPT, chatgpt.com, register on ChatGPT. I have an account with them, that's why you're seeing this particular interface. So let's just click on the message we want. So ChatGPT, all this AI, they deals with prompts. There's something we call prompts. The It depends on the kind of prompt you're giving to this particular website. It will determine the kind of results you're going to get. It's just like all these ATM machine. You can't put a Access Bank ATM machine into Zenith Bank and you're going to get, and most times they might even swallow your card. That's because you are not giving the right prompt to the ATM. So let's just ask ChatGPT to give us something very quick. So, and that thing is, write me a persuasive message for a company that needs marketing, and I'm the right marketer. And another thing is, keep it short. You know, they don't want you to bug them with a lot of messages, so we have to keep it short. So let's see what ChatGPT has for us. We sent in the prompt already. So this is it. Elevate your brand with targeted marketing expertise. I've reviewed your brand and see incredible potentials for growth. Can we see, we went on the website and we noticed that the website is actually okay. But what is the issue? Marketing. So with my proven expertise in driving tailored marketing strategy that boosts engagement and return on investment, I'm confident that I can help you stand out and reach your goal faster. Let's connect for a quick chat, or how we can amplify your brand success together. Very short, and it's going to deliver. Make sure you follow the step, and make sure you, as you can see, you can go on and on, and at least if you're sending 10 of this in a day, you're going to get at least 2 replies and you're going to get your job sealed. So as you can see, this particular website, they are having 2.52 products and they're having low sales. So these are people that you can market for. And if you need a marketing class, you can message me. I'll drop my contact info in the description of this video. You can just message me if you need a marketing class, then we can go on with that. So this is if you are struggling with Fiverr and Upwork, this is another option that you can actually look out for, and you're going to get the niche job you are looking for in 2024 and beyond. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell for more of this video, because I'll be dropping more of this freelancing video often these days. So turn on your notification bell, share this video with your family and friends, your freelancer group, people that need this video. Send it to them, and make sure you drop any comments you have in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.